Hey guys, so we're in High Tunnel 2 and we just finished some of the electrical conduit that we were working on in here. I just want to give you a quick overview of what we were doing, how we put it up, and what we used. So being in a structure like this, even though we're undercover, we're still dealing with a lot of humidity and moisture issues where things like electricity and wiring doesn't like so much. So we have to utilize things to pretty much encapsulate those wires so they don't corrode from excess humidity and moisture in these tunnels. What I was working on installing is conduit, which is, this is 3/4 inch galvanized pipe. Very simple, it comes in 10-foot lengths, and this is what we did span across the structure of the high tunnel to hold the electrical. We also use these little connectors which go inside the pipe. They have a sealing unit, a rubber plasticky sealing unit in it, which is where you tighten these down to the conduit. It'll lock this in and give it a seal so moisture can't creep its way in here, keeping the wires safe and protected. And let's see, if you can look up here, this is a junction box. This is where we're gonna have some wires flowing over to the horizontal fan, ventilation fan to the right of me. But these are all going to be weatherproof too, with a rubber sealant on top, so we can, if we have to, one, when we're working on the wires to install, and two, if we ever have issues or want to add things down the road, we can get into those boxes and change wires around, work on things, and fix when needed. Why are we putting this in here? Basically to run any power we have to the tunnels. If you look to the right of me, you can see a horizontal ventilation fan, and then behind me you can see the blower fan for the plastic. These are pretty essential to get efficient high tunnel and get efficient production, better your environment, and just running a little conduit for electricity will make this all happen. And we can also have all the power sealed up on a panel at the end of the wall, so we can, with a flip of a switch, turn the power on and off depending on the season. If we need the horizontal fans going, like in the winter, we don't need to run them as much because the air is a lot cooler and less humid versus the summer where we'll probably have them on all the time. But doing this is just going to add to ease. It's going to take away from the electrical cords running around here, and it looks clean and it looks nice and presentable. So we're excited to get this in here, and gonna get the wire in soon and get things tied up, and we should have energy pretty soon.